So I'm at my dealership that I deal with, and I have keys to 3 different AT Mustangs right now. I'm going to start each of them and see if they have the same sound that I have from the bottom end of my engine. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My last video I put up, I had that ticking sound coming from my engine. I don't know exactly what it is, but I went to the dealer. I got keys to 3 different Mustangs. Only one of them had the ticking noise that I could hear really well. Otherwise, the other 2 weren't so loud. I heard it slightly, but nothing. I really just don't think it's anything serious. I wouldn't worry about it too much. Just drive your car, enjoy it. There's nothing worse than buying a brand new car. Some people, have to finance it. You're making payments on this thing. It's not cheap, and you have it sitting at the dealership. You can't even drive it. Like, it's the summer. Enjoy your car. What's the worst that's gonna happen? If there's any damage to the engine, it's under warranty, so I won't worry about it too much. But just stick it out. It is annoying, the noise, but it is what it is. What are you gonna do? So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, and I'll keep pumping out more videos for you guys. Thank you. This race red car right here, and I'm gonna check to see if we got any noise. God, that's a small people thing, yeah. So this car didn't even do e-brake up. I'm just gonna start it. See the mileage. 24 miles. Let's see if it has that noise. Definitely hear something. I don't know what it is. So I think that had a little noise coming out of it. See the next victim. This is, let's see what that is. Oh man, what do we got here? Do we have an auto? A manual? What is it? Oh, we got an auto. So well, this one's loud. I can hear it from here. That one's real loud. Maybe not. So those are 3 brand new 18 GTs that I just tested to see if I heard any noise. I'm gonna go back over the videos and see how it came out. I'm just really curious to see. I really just think it's a common noise it's gonna be with these motors, and I don't think it needs bottom end replacement.